Yama-chan, can we go to the park and play today?
Yeah, sure, Maruko. Let's go.
Okay, then we'll have a nice evening, I guess.
Okay, sure.
Stop it,
Hey, come on, guys, let me do it.
Hey, what are you guys up to?
Your mother is not listening to us. He wants to throw a stone at the beehive.
What? A honeybee hive?
Where is it?
Huh?
Oh my god!
That's a very huge hive.
I just want to see what will happen if I throw a stone at it.
Please don't do that!
Yeah, don't do that.
If you throw a stone at the beehive, all the bees are gonna come out for sure and they'll all sting us.
That's exactly what I want to see.
Crazy boy, the bees will start chasing you!
That's right. If they get angry, we'll have a tough
Oh,
time.
is it? I didn't know it's such a scary set when bees get angry. Wow, I really want to see their angry faces. Have you all ever seen a bee's angry face, huh? Tell me.
Huh?
Oh well...
Not really, Yamada, but...
Yeah, even I've never got to see a bee's angry face, Nagasawa. Oh yeah? I'm not interested in seeing a bee's face. Well, it's quite frightening.
Oh, really? Let's see how a bee's face looks like when it's angry.
That's right! Even I don't really mind seeing it!
Okay, then, here I go.
Mother, please hit it gently. Don't hit it with too much force.
Get ready, go.
Not so forcefully. God, this Yamada threw the stone so hard that the bees got angry. In spite of us telling him to throw it gently, he threw it with so much of force.
Yamada, you're such a moron! What else do you expect to happen when you throw a stone at the honeybee hive?
I'm sorry, I didn't do it deliberately. It just happened.
What do you mean I didn't do it deliberately? It just happened. Stop your nonsense. If you don't have control over your power, you better do something about it.
I know! I'm sure you threw the stone on purpose!
I'm so sorry.
What do you mean by sorry? What if the bee had stung one of us just because of your stupidity and you won't even take the responsibility? It's okay, don't blame him. Let's just forget this whole episode. After all, the bees didn't sting any of us. Sometime back you were saying that what he was doing was stupid. And now just because he's feeling disheartened, you started opposing me. You were rude. I know, he's so selfish. Selfish? I was feeling sorry for him because he was being blamed unnecessarily.
I don't think Yamada will have a problem if you're a little tough with him, right, Yamada?
That's right, that's right. I really didn't feel bad. Not at all.
Oh God, what a moron. I shouldn't have supported him in the first place. I don't know from when you started supporting justice.
Yamada, is your stomach aching?
I got scared after all that happened, and that's why I guess my stomach has started aching. It's okay, I think I should be alright in some time.
It's not okay, Yamane. We'll go to my place. You can take rest for some time.
Yeah, Maruko's place is close by. You better go there and take some rest.
I don't want to cause any trouble to y'all. It's okay, Maruko.
Oh, don't hesitate, Yamane. You can come home. Grandpa and I are gonna bust firecrackers today, so you guys can join us too.
Wow, firecrackers? But I hope it's no trouble.
That's okay. Can you also come?
I don't like firecrackers, but still I don't mind coming if it's happening at your place. There's no one at home right now, so I don't mind coming to your place, Maruko.
Yippee, yippee. Even I'm coming to bust crackers.
Okay, then, let's go. I'm back, Mom.
Oh dear, what happened to Yamane?
Nothing, the usual stomachache. Mommy, he needs to take some rest.
Yeah, come in.
And then, we're all gonna bust firecrackers with Grandpa. So can you get us some watermelons?
I don't think you can burst firecrackers. We found a honey hive on one of the trees.
A honey hive?
I can't believe it. Not again, Nagasawa.
Anyways, guys, come on in. Let's sit in the backyard and drink some juice. Hey, Grandpa, do you know where the honeybee hive is?
That tree?
Huh?
Oh, is it on that tree?
It's so quiet out there. Nobody can even make out that there's a honeybee hive.
Huh? You can't even see it from here.
I guess the bees are not active at night. Maybe they're up to something else.
Yeah, they may be sleeping. Why don't we just roast the crackers? That's an awesome idea.
Don't even think about it.
That's right. It's risky in the backyard.
It's okay. We won't go near that tree. We'll be around here. I don't think there should be any problem. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it. Ah, come on, let's do it.
Yeah, it should be safe around here, children. Let's do it.
That's right.
Huh? But are you sure?
Grandpa, let's do it.
Oh, yes, my dear.
Grandpa, let's do it.
Okay, come on, let's do it.
Yippee! 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 Yippee!
Yamane, are you feeling a little better now?
I'm sorry to have troubled you. I'm feeling a bit better now.
Why don't you come bust crackers with us?
It's so beautiful.
I know, Maruko. It feels like it's summer already.
That's right. Tama-chan, we'll have lots of fun this summer, okay?
Yes, of course.
Maruko and Tama-chan are real good friends.
I envy them. Unfortunately, I don't have a close buddy. But I'm sure I'll get one soon, guys.
It's not so easy to make close friends, and that's the reason that I don't have a best friend. Oh, what are you saying, Nagasawa? Am I not your best friend? Is it a joke? You are not my best friend. To be best friends, you should have trust in each other, like Ono and Sugiyama. Look at them.
That's true. Tama-chan and I trust each other a lot.
Oh, yes, of course we do.
Maruko and me as well.
Of course.
Look now, I'm really sorry, but I can't trust you with everything. Will you run for your life, leaving me behind whenever there is danger? What are you saying? Oh, really?
Oh, come on now, stop it. Let's enjoy ourselves busting crackers.
Hey guys, check me out. Look what I'm doing.
Oh, gosh, the hive got disturbed by the smoke. They're all out. Nagasawa was right. Fujiki was the first one to
Oh my god! I made a big blunder. I left my shoes outside.
Yeah, even I came rushing and forgot my shoes.
Me too, guys.
Same here.
I must say that you guys are very dumb. You know what? I picked up Tama-chan's shoes.
Oh, thank you so much, Maruko.
Do you see that? Best friends are like this. You don't forget about each other even in troubled times. And you just ran away without even thinking about me there. And you said you're my best friend.
Yeah, even I saw that. It was wrong on Fujiki's part to do so. You're very, very selfish. I understand that Yamada and me are not your close friends. But tell me something. How could you do something like that to your best friend Nagasawa?
Forget it. Stop blaming it all on Fujiki, guys.
Maruko, so sweet of you to support me.
It's obvious that Fujiki will run away in situations like this. And that's the reason everyone calls him selfish, right? If you ask me, honestly, I really don't see why you have to keep discussing about it. I really think you guys need to learn to accept Fujiki.
I I thought she was supporting me.
Yeah, I guess Maruko's right. There's no point in getting upset and discussing about Fujiki here. That's true. As you said, it's pointless to have a discussion on this.
Fujiki, I'm so happy for you. Henceforth, no one's going to be bothered if you behave selfishly with anyone. You can behave however you want. So, Fujiki, what are we waiting for? Let's go home.
Okay, you can come and collect your footwear tomorrow.
Yeah, the bees are still in the backyard right now and we can't go there. You can take our sandals and go home today and always come and pick yours up tomorrow.
Yay!
Tama-chan, you're very lucky because you can wear your own shoes. Thank you, Maruko.
What did you say? A honey bee hive?
Dear, please do something about it tomorrow.
I know, it's very scary. I was attacked by the bees even in the morning at the temple. And again in the evening. Oh, God, 2 bee attacks in one day.
Do something about it then, Maruko. People get attacked twice or thrice a day by the honeybees. Once or twice is nothing in a day.
Good. It didn't sting you.
Yes, I think I was just very lucky.
You should be really careful. People even die with a honeybee sting.
Huh? What? People die?
Yes, it is true. These hornet bees and carpenter bees are very dangerous insects. If they sting you anywhere, then you are dead.
Yes, I've heard about it before on the news. People dying with a honeybee sting.
Oh, Grandpa!
Maruko, it's very scary.
Not that one will die every time the bee stings, but in any case, one must be careful.
I know. I have never been stung by a bee, but I know that it's very painful.
Yeah.
I've had the misfortune of being stung before, and I can still feel the pain.
Worse than an injection?
It is worse than any injection. At least once you have an injection, the pain subsides. But when a honeybee stings you, it just doesn't go away. It pains and pains and pains.
Because it's poisonous.
In spite of being such small creatures, how can they be so painful and poisonous, Grandpa?
Yes, I know. In spite of being smaller than people, these creatures like to torture us. What if they sting a poor old man like me? What will I do?
Yeah, that's right. It's very poisonous.
Yeah, I know. Even Snow White was poisoned with an apple by that wicked old lady. It's really scary.
Please, dear, somehow we have to get rid of that honeybee hive.
Yeah, I have no other job. You people keep giving me these kind of things to do.
Hey, Daddy! You know what? You do nothing else but watch soccer and have fun. Do something to remove that.
Yeah, that's right.
Please be careful while taking it out.
I guess I have no other choice.
I feel so low today. Why is that everyone calls me selfish? I know I was the first one to run away from there when the bees attacked. I shouldn't have done that. But I got so scared when I saw the bees come towards us. It's so disheartening to hear when someone calls you selfish. It brings tears to my eyes. I guess none of my friends understand me. But you know what? I don't think I'm selfish. I'm a coward. Yay! I'm gonna tell this to everyone tomorrow.
The next day. Hiroshi, be careful up there.
Yeah, be careful.
Don't let the bees die and make sure that they fly away from here.
Yeah, the poor little things. Don't kill them, Hiroshi.
Yes.
Anyways, please do it carefully.
I'm so happy we're gonna get free juice at Maruko's place.
You are so embarrassing. We're going there to give back these sandals and all you can think of is juice. Terrible.
Did I say anything wrong, Yamane?
I don't want to trouble anyone. As it is, I keep bothering people with my stomachache. Just because you all are sweet to me, I don't want to take advantage.
Oh, come on, Yamane. Don't hesitate. After all, we're your friends. It's all cool.
No, it's nothing like that, Yamada.
Hey, Fujiki, what do you have to say?
I don't want to bother them. They've already done so much for me. I don't want anything.
Yeah, I'm glad this time you're not being selfish.
Yamada, I don't think he's being very selfish right now.
That's right, this time he's not being selfish, Yamada.
Do you think so? Is it? I thought he was always selfish. Fujiki is known for his selfishness, and the whole class knows about that.
Well, we can't do anything for this.
Yamada is not being able to differentiate between being selfish and not being selfish.
Hey, listen to me, all of you.
Huh?
What is it? Have you thought of something selfish now? Well, actually, all of y'all call me selfish, but I don't think I'm selfish at all. How dare you say that, Fujiki? You were the first one to run away yesterday. You proved yourself to be the first one to run away from the bees when they attack. I know what you're saying, but that doesn't mean that I'm selfish.
Then what is it?
A selfish person hurts and upsets people. I know it was wrong on my part to run off like that, guys. But don't you all think I'm someone who's just a coward? Well, selfish and coward are one and the same. There's no difference at all.
It's really disappointing to hear that.
Why do you say that? I'm not selfish. I am a coward. What I did yesterday was a cowardly act. So you want us to call you a coward now, is it?
I really don't understand, Nagasawa. How can one like to be called a coward by others?
Well, if he wants to, we don't really have a choice.
Fujiki? Oh, so you want us to call you a coward rather than a selfish person? So are you really sure about that? Okay, Fujiki is a coward, not a selfish person. Fujiki is a coward, not a selfish person. Fujiki is a coward, not a selfish person.
You can do it, Daddy!
Careful, dear.
Who's the man, Hiroshi? Do it fast!
Oh, Daddy, come on!
It's easy for you to just stand there and watch. What if a bee stings me? What if the entire hive stings me? Oh, I'm scared. I'm freezing with fear now.
Daddy, what are you doing? Come on, quick!
Come on, Hiroshi!
Oh my God, it's the bees!
Going, guys!
Fujiki, what are you doing? Let me go! Nagasawa, don't get scared. Don't run away. I know you're trying to protect yourself by putting bees first. You were really selfish.
No matter how selfish Fujiki was called, Fujiki again was being selfish to protect himself.
Yamane, I hope you're okay. That was close.
Yeah, sort of, but where are the others? I don't see them at all.
Hey, where did they go? I don't see them at all.
She loves everyone. She's got dreams and desires in her mind, flying in the sky as she gently reaches for stars that she can find. Mama loves her, but sets her right rather strictly. Her busy daddy's always there, right behind. And Grandpa, oh so cute, but keeps forgetting everything. Oh, her grandma, she's the best there is. But she